Welcome friends, come sing with me.
Kindness grows like a little tree.
Little bunny, soft and gray.
Who did you help today?
I helped a bird with a broken wing.
Now she flies and she sings.
Little bird up in the sky.
Who did you help flying high?
I helped a fox who lost his way.
Now he smiles all day.
Little fox with a fluffy tail.
Who did you help on your trail?
I helped a bear who felt so sad.
Now he's laughing, feeling glad. Big brown bear, strong and kind.
Who did you help? Tell us, don't mind.
I helped a child who fell down low.
Now they're ready to go.
Kindness given, kindness grows.
Where it stops,
Nobody knows. Help a friend, don't delay. Kindness comes back your way. Kindness comes back your way. Kindness comes back your way.